This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to teach you on how to make your wiring crinoline style. The material you need for this work is wire, your binding wire for arts. Then you need your needle and thread, crinoline. You need your scissors. I'm going to use a yard of crinoline to do my wiring style, and I have a yard of binding wire here. The first thing is you take your crinoline, that's a yard crinoline, you fold it in the mouth like this, then use your needle and thread to secure the mouth. Secure the mouth like this, tie it. See, then take your wire, this wire, then push it inside the place you have tack, and tack it again and secure it like this. Then you can do your hemming down to the end of the crinoline with the wire like this. You're using your hand to hold it. You can see it. I've done the hemming from beginning to the end. Then the wire, fix it the same way you fix the beginning, then tack it. Tack it very well. Another thing is that this thing, you can use it to form any style. Look at it. You can bend your wire. You can use it to form a round base. Then use it to do. See it. It will stand like this or like this. Now let's use it to design a fascinator. And I have something here that I'm going to use to design it. Slowly. You can measure 20 lengths and normal breadth of crinoline, and tack it. See it. Do it down to the end. Then draw it together. You can see. And tack it. We are going to use it to form a style. can see the style. Then use it to create a style. So I'm doing it so that it's the way as you are bending it, it will giving you what you want. You can see it. Then this is my style. I put it in the middle. Then I'm going to tack it for it to stand at the middle there. I'll put my bias and my rows to block the center. You can use your wax candle to block the center. This is what we call wax candle. This is the gum machine. This is the candle. Then you plug it and use it to gum your rose. Then after gumming the rose, put your Alice band. This is what we call Alice band. Put it at the back of it. Use your wax candle to gum it. If you don't know how to fit your wire or fit your Alice band with your wax candle, please go to BB Venture Arts. You will see it there. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.